I found Crawl Space Ninja by searching through how to encapsulate your crawl space. And we had initially gone with another company. They encapsulated and we were having issues. We had smell and we had this really bad smell coming from the crawl space into the basement of the house, which is finished, and we hang out and watch TV, and my office is in the basement as well. So that was an untenable situation for us. We couldn't really, we couldn't stand this smell, so we had to try to find another company to come help us out. And I started just doing Google searches and very quickly saw all of these YouTube videos coming up in the search results from Crawl Space Ninja. Just started watching some of those videos, and the videos were so great that it really gave me a lot of confidence that Crawl Space Ninja was going to come in and do a good job. It was great to know that there was a local company that was doing such a great job, and they were so intent on improving everybody's homes in the community where they have their business. The initial meeting I had for the estimate, the technician went in and said, well, there's some things that aren't quite up to code with the current encapsulation that you had done. Probably recommend just taking it out. And then they also found some mold, different types, some of which was toxic and obviously needed to be remediated. So we went with the gold package, which was encapsulation, soda blasting, X70 sealant, and a cleanser. Removed all the mold and sealed all the wood, and then they put a condensate drain out front to capture they had a dehumidifier as well that was installed, and plumbed that out to run out to daylight. Basically, there's a little dry well that they installed in the front yard, which they did perfectly. You couldn't even tell it's there if you went out there, which is great. Yeah, they ripped out the previous encapsulation and found out that there was existing encapsulation before that's probably the previous homeowner had put down, and they just laid theirs on top of it. And the guys from Crawl Space Ninja came out and said, well, are you smelling some pretty nasty smells? And I was like, yes, we are definitely smelling some bad stuff. And he said, well, we're not surprised because those multiple layers of previous encapsulations are trapping all of that moisture, and that's where you're getting this smell. So they ripped all that out. To get rid of it, they had to load it into their truck, and they said they disposed of it. They were scheduled to come back and finish the work the next day. They took the same truck to the job site again, and they said that smell was still in their truck from the old plastic they took out and hauled away. They said it was just awful, you know. And as soon as they took the plastic out, the smell in our basement was gone. So very clearly, you know, that was the problem.